Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to verify a domain in Google Workspace. So first you just have to log into your Google Workspace here and make sure that you have logged into your account. And then here what you're going to do is to simply scroll down and look for account. Under account you have to look for domains. If you can see it here on the home page, you can just simply scroll down and domains is under admin role. So you have to tap that one, then you can now manage your domain. So here, what you're going to do is to simply click this verify domain here under status in order for you to verify your domain. You have to follow some instructions in order for you to verify that, and this is what it is. So as you can see here, we have TXT verification, add verification code to your domain settings, verify that you added the code, and you can start using Google Workspace. So what you're going to do here is to click continue. So all you have to do is to simply follow the instruction below. So as you can see here, let us add your verification code. If you read below, there is a TXT record, a value that Google looks for to confirm that you own a manageable base hub.com. So you have to copy that one, and now you have to log into your hostinger. And then here you have to click this domains that is next to emails. Okay. So once you tap that one, then you can also manage your domains here. So as you can see, if I tap this domains here, I have here some options like domains overview, DNS name servers, domain ownership. All you have to do is to tap this DNS name servers. And as you can see here, manage DNS records. What we're going to do is to go back to our Google Workspace. And then here you will see this number four or number five rather, you have to add your TXT record. Okay, so all you have to do is to follow this instruction right here. So for the type, we have here TXT. In the name, you just have to add at in the field and then copy the link. Now go back and copy this TTL here. So we have here type TXT, name at, value what we have copied earlier, and the TTL number. And then after that, tap this add record here, and there will be a notification DNS record created successfully. Now you can go back to your workspace and then click this verify my domain, and that's it. You have verified your domain here on your Google Workspace. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.